Hey guys, up in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful organizer from Oriflame. So this is a makeup storage kit from Oriflame and it comes in beige color and it has got a very nice stitching over it. It appears as if it is boutique made. So let's see the inside. Let's have the inside view. Inside I've kept the Oriflame products. So I've kept a fairness cream, I've kept the scrub, I've kept a clay mask, then I've kept this toner from Love Nature range and the golden edition cream. I've kept the lip spa from the One range, and yes, I've kept this clutcher of mine. So as you can see that it's quite a good organizer. You can keep umpteen amount of things. There's a small pocket also. You can keep your lip balm and stuff over here. It's quite a good space as far as an organizer is concerned. So it's good. It's a good one from Oriflame. A very beautiful beauty organizer from Oriflame. Give a thumbs up to the video and do subscribe. Thank you.